How to use Ome TV safely and without getting banned. Let's log in here. So I'm gonna talk about Ome TV guidelines, rules, safety, and how you can avoid getting banned. So firstly, you have to know the rules of this website, because if you break any of those rules, you'll get banned. It's always very important that as a new user, you go to rules here and read all the rules thoroughly here. Now, violating any of these rules mentioned here will get you banned from Ome TV. For example, you can't use obscene language, insult others, and behave rudely, etc. Also, here are some recommendations here. These recommendations are to enhance your Ome TV experience. So you just have to make sure that you follow all these rules properly to avoid getting banned. So the bans in Ome TV can be of two types, that is temporary or permanent. If you get the permanent ban, it's very hard to come back on Ome TV. For example, some people have been banned from Ome TV for sharing their links of Facebook or any other platforms. Like, look here, any form of advertising or spam is strictly prohibited and is forbidden to send any links including those to videos or social profiles. So it means you have to take these rules seriously and consider all of them while you video chat on Ome TV. So once you've made sure that you read all the rules, we're gonna learn now how to stay safe here. While video chatting with people here on Ome TV, if you find any person on Ome TV who is violating the rules, you can just click on report abuse here. Suppose if I click on report abuse here, and you can choose among 4 recent interactions who you wanna report. Currently I don't wanna report any users here, so I'm just gonna cancel. You can also use the report function by clicking on report icon here and then report the person. Also on Ome TV, it's very recommended that you don't provide any confidential information about you. If you find the nature of person on other side very suspicious, it's not recommended to share phone numbers or social media accounts, example Instagram, Facebook, Twitter accounts, etc. Or you can wait until you trust the person fully to share your social media accounts or phone numbers. So these are the rules, safety guidelines that you can follow in order to use Ome TV safely and without getting banned, and also keep the Ome TV platform safe. So if you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.